welcome back to the channel. We're back from the cross-country skiing trip. The video is out there. It's just a vlog. Looks like that. And that's the thumbnail. I hope everyone's doing well and welcome to the family. If you're new, subscribe, please subscribe. You know, today's video, I think I'm just gonna be, because I'm still have a little cough, I'm gonna be trolling people about my cough. And so we'll see what people's reactions are. And also, guys, I would like to say, guys, daily reminder, remember to be yourself, guys, and don't give up on trying to be yourself and keep pushing. And I believe in you. Hashtag influencer moment. The rise of all Echo is upon us. I'll see you later. Hello.
Bruh.
No Ash.
Okay. Hello.
A little later.
What's up, bro?
Bro, I like the hair.
Thanks, bro. Also, I'm sorry. I am a little sick right now, so just in case you hear me cough and stuff.
I'll do that. I got a little cough right now myself.
Yeah, bro. Me too. I mean, what's your what are some of your hobbies?
Right now I work, to be honest.
Work at what?
I'm an iron worker.
What is that
So I
even?
weld, like,
Oh yeah.
I weld, like, the hospitals and crap, like, structural.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of bridges.
Oh yeah, that's cool though.
What do you do?
I basically, how do I put this? Well, I basically like scam people online.
How do you do it?
Oh shit, she's getting closer. What's up?
You.
What? Hello, guys.
Have you ever tried to see?
I'm sick. Don't judge me. Looks like you're judging me. What were you saying?
I can't talk right now.
Why?
Did you not just hear that stutter?
Bro, I'm giving you a second chance.
No point.
We're here for second chances. You got something to say?
I'm trying not to cough right now. I'm also sick.
You're also sick? Yeah, bro. It sucks being sick, honestly. Hello.
Yo.
I'm a little sick. Why are you looking at me like that?
So you not sick, bro?
I am sick, bro.
Say nigga.
You're not even black.
Bitch, I'm mid. The fuck is you talking
What are you
about?
talking about? You're not even black.
Bitch, yes, the fuck I am.
No, you're not.
I am. What am I, nigga?
I don't know.
Mixed.
You might be Asian. You're not convincing me of anything. Oh, that was weird. Sorry, I'm sick.
That's how you cough.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a real cough.
God damn, nigga, you so sexy, nigga.
Thank you. I'm a sick boy.
Sick. Goddamn, nigga.
I'm a sick boy.
I believe it, bro.
I believe you, bro.
Thank you guys. Thank you
Hey,
guys.
man,
You guys inspired me to do something.
you just got no attention paid.
I'm a sick boy. I'm a sick boy. I am a sick boy.
You want some medicine?
I need some medicine for my cough.
What type of medicine? You need some Tylenol?
I think I need some NyQuil. I'm a sick boy.
You look old. You need help.
I am a sick boy.
You look like you're on pomethylene, codeine.
A little later.
I'm a sick boy.
I am a doctor, actually. My auntie always called me the woman doctor.
The woman doctor? Oh my god.
It's okay. Okay. What is your favorite brand
Of what?
clothing?
Temu.
Okay. Have you heard of Urban Global?
Nope.
Temu uses child labor, and that's, I don't know how you feel about that,
I
but
think
my
you're
book, that's how I
lying.
feel. They use child labor.
I don't think they do.
Do you have, like, evidence against that?
No, I just don't think they do.
Browser, don't cut me off. I'm doing an ad read.
Okay. Do your ad read.
Urban Global .co on Instagram and in your search browser. High-end streetwear based out of Detroit, Michigan. Check it out. Thank you for not interrupting. Still got that cough, huh?
I do.
Alright, here's a prescription. Xanax.
I think isn't that a rapper?
Wait, can you see what I'm typing?
No.
Damn.
Who's your favorite Jake Paul or Logan Paul?
I gotta go with...
Or KSI?
Oh, no.
Or KSI?
Oh, see, that's tough, because I used to watch a lot of KSI. I don't know, Jake Paul's got a nice beard.
I thought you were gonna say butt.
I feel like they all got nice round bottoms.
Oh, the truth comes out.
Yes.
But wait, who is it though?
Let's just say KSI.
Do you do you like women?
I do. Are you hitting on me?
I got closer.
I'll just...
You like what you see, woman doctor?
I don't think so.
You need to be stopped. You need to be
Your
stopped.
eyebrows have been moving a freakish amount.
I know. I'm sick. I'm a sick boy.
I don't know why I'm still here, actually.
I'm a sick boy. And you're a doctor. We get along. Well, we can switch the topic about what's your favorite thing in nature?
Probably trees. They're the easiest to draw.
You are quite basic, love doctor.
Sorry. It's what works.
You know what my favorite thing about nature is?
What?
Water.
Okay, well, why is that your favorite?
It's just better.
Okay.
It's just better than what you said.
Do you remember what I said?
Yeah, you said you like trees.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on Mr. Beast?
Man, he makes a lot of money, doesn't he?
No, he doesn't.
He turned the whole thing to a corporation, so...
Have you ever
the whole
tried?
thing-
Have you ever tried his Lunchables?
No, I don't want to get, like, raging diarrhea.
The cheese is drippy.
Dad!
I'm a sick boy.
And I'm a little boy!
Oh my god, I found you. You're amazing. I've been waiting
my
my whole
God.
life for this moment.
You happy to meet me?
Yes, I am. Who's the other guy? Why is he
That's-
with you?
That's the mayor.
The mayor? Mayor, I got a problem with you. Why are you with this beautiful man?
Pause, you know.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, bro. You got a quote of the day?
Yeah.
What's good?
You lose a bag chasing a bitch, but you'll never lose a bitch chasing a bag.
Outro.